everybody knows, the airbag theft and the rim theft tires. So we end up suggesting to add the shock sensor to the factory alarm, and he also kicked it up a notch and got the cellular module, so if the alarm fires off, he'll get a push notification right away. Once you arm the system, you're gonna hit lock like the same way that you've been doing before. If you own a Honda, you're gonna notice that red light on the dash is gonna start flashing, and then once it changes the way it flashes, it's gonna take like a little pause, and then it's gonna flash slower, and that means that the alarm is engaged. That delay is not us. That's the way the Honda designs the factory alarms. They gave it a little delay. And basically, if somebody tries to bust out the keyhole, it will fire off the alarm. And if they try to bust out the nut locks, that will fire off the alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire. The alarm's gonna fire off. I'll let it ring for 14 seconds, and the push notification should come in quickly. The push notification just came in. It says now, it says my car, tells you that the alarm has been triggered. And it also comes with GPS, so he can track the car down in any event that gets towed. So it gives you a lot of benefits. You can do the shock sensor by itself. This is, you know, you don't have to have the cellular module hooked up with the GPS. You can get the shock sensor installed first, and then later on you can save a little more money and get the text alert, or you can do it all in one shot. This alarm upgrade to this 2013 Honda Accord to stop the rim theft and airbags was upgraded here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.